Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are sorry to interrupt your normal programming. We do, however, have a very serious situation unfolding as we speak. We will continue with updates as soon as we have more information. At 5 p.m., the silent alarm at Tri-State National Bank in River City was triggered, sending local police to the scene. The bank was held by two masked gunmen who had fled the scene previous to police department's arrival. We cannot say for certain, however, shots were reported fired and several civilian casualties have been rushed to Pike Memorial.
May I direct the call?
Yes, please give me Pike Memorial. Come on.
Pike County Memorial Hospital, this is Rebecca.
Yes, I need to know if a Mary Bryson checked in the last couple hours. See, I dropped her off at Tri-State National.
Okay, sir, we still have one ambulance out at the site. I don't know if they've run incoming through the system yet. What was the name again?
It's Mary Bryson. It's B-R-I. It's S-O-N.
Yes, sir. Mary Bryson was just checked in. Sir, do you happen to be friend or family?
Yeah, I'm a friend. Is she okay?
Sir, Mary is listed as one of the gunshot victims from Tri-State. She's just been rushed into emergency surgery. I'm sorry, but there is no more information listed.